I just bought above this bar, double bottom bull flag, and two consecutive bull bars, this one closing on its high. The premise is that we have a bear leg in a trading range um, turned into a bull flag. So breakout of a bull flag, breakout, pullback, and after these three pushes and the breakout of the bull flag, I'm betting on a second leg up. So I'm betting that this is one complex leg up and that we need a second leg up. So I'm looking for tests of lower highs. If we form a double top here and get a bear bar closing on its low, then I'll exit below it. I ended up getting out break even there because I actually didn't for a while after the plunge down and then the move back up to my entry. It gave me a few opportunities. I didn't take them, but we couldn't quite get the push up. And at this point, I was thinking we broke above this high, so technically it is two legs up, and now it's a double top. So because it tried to get the second leg and failed, I thought it'd be better. I thought the probability was now lower for that setup, so I thought it'd be better to just get out break even and then see if we come back down here and get a double bottom and then buy. This happened too quickly for me to record it, but I bought above this bar's high. I was waiting for a double bottom with this, but we came down with so much strength that I didn't want to buy above here, especially because of the tail. And then even this one, it closed near its high. This one closed on its high, but I just felt like I was buying too high after this strength, well, weakness to the downside. So I waited for a micro double bottom, which we got here, and then we got a strong breakout. So I was probably buying a bit high, but that's what I was waiting for. And as soon as we got it, I bought above it, scalped out half at 10 cents, and then as the rest came down back to my entry, I exited the rest. Based on what's happening now, it looks like it probably wasn't the best decision because the only reason I'm out is because I was very quick. But this could have happened while I was still in it, and that would have been a much bigger loss than I would like to take at the end of the day. So maybe not the best decision here. Still ended up making back my losses from these two, so I ended up break even on the day. Let me try to pull this up so I can show what I was looking for. So this was January 17th. Oh, no, sorry, it was April 17th. So we had three pushes down to here, and then we got a breakout, an ABC pullback, and then a second leg up here. And once we got the second leg up, we were high in the trading range, and we had to pull back down to this low, form a double bottom, and then we got to buy the close rally to close the day, to end the day. Today, I wasn't expecting a buy the close rally, but I thought it would be a reasonable swing candidate for the last five or six bars of the day. But I wasn't going to swing it. I just thought it was a reasonable setup to scalp out. But that was the template I was looking at. So we came back down here. This was failed breakout of this wedge down to here, and then we got two bars up, a pullback, and then a strong breakout. So it was a buy above that bar, or this close, or this close, or this close, for a swing. This happened a lot earlier though. It happened at 3 p.m. today Eastern time. Today it happened at 3:30 Eastern time, so it wasn't that much time left in the day. And it also wasn't a failed breakout of a wedge, but we did test this low here, and then we got a double bottom and then a breakout. So I thought it was okay based on the template, but I was definitely buying high in the range. So that could have been a mistake. I remember, I don't know what day it was. I think it was maybe around trade 20 or 30 when I had the $17 loss, where I felt really out of it and discouraged and stuff. Same phase right now, going through the same thing. Feeling like I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm seeing everything late, misreading the price. So in a sense, it's a good sign having that same feeling often, because eventually you learn to ignore it and you learn to realize that it's just a phase and it's going to pass. So I'm counting on that it is just going to pass very soon. And because last time I felt it, and then I just kept trying to do the right things with small size, and eventually at the end of on trade 499 and 500, I ended up positive just by doing the little things. So same situation here, feeling like obviously came off a big loss yesterday, and feeling discouraged and a little bit jumpy, not reading the price properly. And that seems to be the pattern: is that I go through a loss, I get discouraged, and then I reframe it into thinking just do one small thing at a time, make one small good decision at a time, and it seems to work out. So I gotta rely on that and get back to making good decisions. Stop trying to hit home runs. I'm risking 25, so I think every trade needs to be a $25 winner or more. It doesn't have to be that way. That's not how I trade. That's not how I've had success. My success comes from $5 to $10 winners, and that's my sweet spot. I risk a lot more than I make, but it's like I found it to be successful and reliable so far. So I just got to keep doing what I'm doing and make sure that I stop doing dumb things, stop taking big losses, and just take the things I'm sure of, and I'm sure I'll be okay.